What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to fix insufficient storage error on your Android TV. Now this problem usually occurs when the space on your Android TV is too much, and whenever you try to install apps on your TV, you're going to get the insufficient error message, or whenever you try to send files to your TV, it is not going to send because there is actually no space on your TV. So to free up the space on your Android TV, what you just want to do is to head over to the settings of your TV. So go over to the settings icon at the top of your TV, click on it, and then you want to scroll down until you get to device preferences or TV settings, as it is in some TVs. Like, you also want to scroll down until you get to storage, just like so. And then you want to click on internal shared storage. And now you want to scroll down and click on cache data. Now you just want to go ahead and click on clear cache data, just like so. And the cache of your TV is going to be cleared automatically. Now another thing you want to do is to head over to the file manager of your TV. So just go over to your TV and look for the file manager, click on it. Now on your file manager, you just want to go ahead and delete unused files and apps on your TV. So in my case, I can just go ahead and open up the apps on my TV, and just scroll down and look for those unused apps on my TV. For instance, I can go ahead and delete the Spotify app on my TV because I don't use it as much. So I will just long press on it and then scroll horizontally until I get to this uninstall over here. Uninstall it from my TV, click on OK, and this particular app will be released from my TV. Now another thing you can actually do is to go over to the recycle bin. So just go over to your recycle bin, and then you want to go ahead and permanently delete the apps that are in your recycle bin so that they won't be consuming space on your TV. So just go ahead and empty up my recycle bin, click on OK. And now once you try to install apps or send files to your TV, you will no longer get the insufficient storage error on your smart TV. This way, you've been able to free up your TV and you can now do anything you want to do on your TV. If this video was helpful, guys, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.